Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. CEO of Proven Investments, Chris Williams, says Jamaica is closer to having a cashless financial system. He says financial entities are strategically targeting persons who are underbanked to ensure everyone is included.
In this room, that's pretty much there. Hardly any one of us in this room go into a bank anymore. Yeah. You know, and our bearers don't have as much work, you know, because we're all online, you know, transferring payments and paying bills and all of that. So this segment is there. It's the mass that we're waiting on, and, you know, time soon come.
Mr. Williams says recent attempts to promote mobile banking and online transactions are a part of the drive to move Jamaicans to a cashless financial system, reminiscent of economies such as China.
And we know fintech is going to be the future because the smartphones are already in their hands, and the more that they get a greater per capita income, they're going to be able to switch on the smartphones and keep data on 24 hours a day and not just depend on Wi-Fi. When they switch data on, then they're going to not go into a bank line. They're going to do their transactions on their phones, and that allows us, you know, to even the playing field.
The Bank of Jamaica today intervened in the foreign exchange market for a second day in a row and the third time this month. The BOJ sold $20 million in a flash sale today to further stabilize the sliding Jamaican dollar. Today's sale brings the total injection over the last 2 weeks to $60 million. The sale was made through the central bank's BFXit tool. And in currency trading, it ended today with the Jamaican dollar clawing back some of its losses over the last 2 weeks. The greenback ended the day selling for $134.15. However, the dollar continued to slide against the Canadian dollar, which closed at $100.97. The pound sold for $172.84, and the euro is now going for $142.41. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in May went up by 23 cents to settle at $64 a barrel. On the stock exchange, the JSE index gained 6,301 points today, while the junior market index rose by 22 points. Among today's winners were CAC 2000, Sagicor Group, Cygnus Credit Investments USD Shares, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and General Accident Insurance Company. Now on the losing side, we have Mayberry Investments, Jamaica Broilers Group, Stanley Motor, iCreate, and Indies Pharma. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.